Einstein's desk on the day of his death.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight,
If you lost 75% of your liver, it will grow back completely in 1 year.
hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies.
This is not a room, but an inside of a guitar.
Dripping lights paint the skies.
Dimples are, in fact, genetic defects, as muscles grow incorrectly and leave a gap between them. In early 1990s, Michael Jackson tried to purchase Marvel to play the character of Spider-Man in his self-produced movie. John Cena, the WWE superstar, has granted more than 60 Make-A-Wish requests to children over the years, by far the most by any celebrity. Heroic uncle runs back into burning home to save his sister's 8-year-old daughter after rescuing his 2 young nephews from the flames.
So alive.
A soldier once asked Eminem for his autograph. Eminem replied, "Sure, if I can have yours."
Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Antarctica is the only place in the world that has only 2 ATMs.
Dripping lights paint the skies. All because
This lady comes from a generation that knows how to enjoy the moment.
dripping lights paint the skies. Only you.
She ignored him for more than 4 years before they became friends. Then again she took 1 year to accept his proposal. Now they are happily married. Hence proved, have patience and the right person will understand your love and value your efforts. Be like your age, never give up. A group of Mexican friends attended the World Cup of Russia with a life-size cardboard cutout of a friend whose wife didn't let him go. Charlie Chaplin without makeup. Hollywood, CA 1916. Youngest mom in history, Lina Medina was just 5 years 7 months when she gave birth to her 2.7 kg son. In 1978, Richard Branson wanted to impress his girlfriend by pretending to buy a private island. The island listed for $6 million and he offered $100K as a joke. The owner settled for $180K and Branson bought Necker Island. Coal miners coming up a coal mine elevator after a day of work in 1920s Belgium. In ancient Greece, throwing an apple at someone was considered a marriage proposal. Former US President Barack Obama carries a small statue of Sri Hanumanji as his lucky charm since his days as a candidate for the US presidency. Iceland is so safe that parents routinely leave their babies alone to nap outside in their strollers while they run errands. The before and after pictures of a man who walked across China for a year. Noodle delivery boy in Tokyo, 1935. Spain is the only country in the world where newspaper is printed on textile material, not on paper. Oli London, a British-born influencer who identifies as a Korean, has undergone 18 cosmetic surgeries to look like Park Jimin, member of the K-pop band BTS. Ryan Kaji is the highest paid YouTuber of 2020 with the earnings of Rs 217 crores. He reviews toys on his channels. The man who wrote Dracula never visited Transylvania. The first iPhone was not made by Apple. The first mobile device to be called an iPhone was made by Cisco, not Apple. The world's youngest parents were 8 and 9 and lived in China in 1910. A woman had a really bad dream where aliens were trying to take her son. As soon as she started screaming, she woke up. Her son was sitting right there and he said, "Don't worry, mom, the aliens are gone." Benin, a country in Central Africa, is notable for having the highest birth rate of twins in the world. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.